Well, I thought I'd get the old 310 fired up again and get it ready for the rework. The headlight is still on. I found my bag of front covers, so I can fix that. The firebox is still going great, and the sound is triggered off of this front wheel rolling, the chuff sound. So when it's rolling, that will chuff like it's supposed to. It's running pretty darn nice, running pretty smooth, and we know to pull. And the puff and brake is working like a champ. I mean, it really is. You can see at lower speeds. If I get it where you have a darker background, you can see the puff is right there. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking real good. Oh boy. So I got to do a lot of work on the tender trucks. I got to do a final assembly of this guy. I've got a bracket for it. I need to find a way to fasten it onto that. Maybe sticky tape will do the job. Then I have to fit the body to it and make sure I don't have any issues with that. I'm not sure about this sticking in too far. I might have to move it back. I still have a little room to move it back. It's a great speaker. That's a 3D printed baffle for that speaker. It's pretty nice. And it's got the standard reverse unit and the smoke, and it's doing pretty darn good. So I'm going to start to disassemble and document the changes that need to take place. I put together a short list of the what's on this engine, what I'm going to be doing to it, and over time, probably the next week, I'll be going through this engine to finish it, and then I'm going to see if anyone's interested in buying it. And I'll be posting all of the components somewhere. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I'm thinking maybe just Facebook, open a Frankentrain Labs Facebook page and post the stuff there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but they'll be out there somewhere somehow so that you guys can get to the parts, okay, if you want to build one. In the meanwhile, you know, I've got a mini, actually it's a micro mill. It's micro because my X and Y tables are so small. This C-clamp is way too big. I need a smaller one if I can find one. I didn't realize how big it was till I got it. I'm trying to machine the chassis. I do have a technique that will work. I'm waiting on a few more parts. I'm going to CNC the X and Y axis as soon as I can. I got to do some trimming on that shaft. It's too long. The controller is done and works. The software is in my PC and it works. And I've got the motors and everything. I'm waiting on couplers. There's a different shaft size here for that, so I got to get a different coupler. And with Andy's help and a few others, I think this thing will be up and running about the time I get this engine done, and we'll go from there. Then I'm going to get Leon's engine back down, and we're going to attack that. I'm hoping to get his engine done by the end of December, and I really want to get some other things started, okay, like a diesel DC motor assembly. I don't know if I can do that or not in December with all this, but I'm going to try. That's my objective. Okay, running out of time. I can see on my film camera, digital, whatever. So there you are, gang. I'll talk to you later.